What's going on, guys? Just coming to you today from this beautiful lake in Ballarat. Squawking to you, got birds singing, we've got sun out. It's a beautiful day today, actually. Let's go over here. There's a bench over here, so I'll sit down and have a look at this. Beautiful day. But anyway, I'll get into it. I don't want to waste your time. Today I wanted to talk about persistence in your business. Persistence and consistency as a whole. And you become what you consistently do. And I guess, so I'll just sit down here. It's better light this way, yeah. So you become what you consistently do. Now, in what I've noticed on my journey is that as soon as I take the foot off the pedal, as soon as I stop doing the consistent daily habits and the little tasks, the small things, I begin to fall off the track. I stop getting results, I stop moving forward, I lose motivation, and you just don't get the results that you want. The same thing goes for anything in life. If you're not moving forward, if you're not progressing, you're falling back, you're dying, literally you're going backwards. Like for myself in the gym, I always go back to the gym terminology because I know it so well. As you can train for 13 years in the gym like I did, but as soon as you stop going for 1 month, 2 months, you lose everything. You lose your strength, you lose the muscle mass, you put on fat, you feel more tired, you don't have as much energy, like everything starts to go backwards for you. So the same thing is in business. The consistency, the small things that will propel you forward in your business, you got to do them, guys. Like you write out a 1-page structure of your day. Wake up at the same time every morning, go through your goals, read them out, see them, visualize your future, do the daily tasks. Okay, if you have to write an email, write an email. If you have to shoot a video, shoot a video. I'm doing this 90-day video challenge now, just to lead by example, to show you guys, action and consistency will get you the results. I've been working online, the business opportunity now for about 6 years. And don't get me wrong, guys, you're gonna have times where you just want to relax, you just want to quit. There's gonna be tears, there's gonna be frustration, but there's also gonna be joy, there's also gonna be bliss and excitement. But those days, look, don't beat yourself up, just take it in. If you're wanting a day off, you go, you know what, I'm stressed out, I don't feel like it today. You can get all these people that will go, yeah, no, push through that, it's go, go, go. It's not. If I was to go and tell you there were days I didn't just put Netflix on and just binge out for a day and just cry and just let all my frustration out, you got to acknowledge those emotions and those feelings. Let it happen, but don't dwell on it. It's as fast as you can pick yourself up. That's what you want to work towards. Got some rolls in the background here. You want to be able to pick yourself up as fast as you can and reassess, regroup, and get back to those daily consistent actions that are going to get you the results. Consistency is the number one rule for success, in my opinion. It's the small, consistent things over time that compound and grow. Like if I look back to who I was even 3 years ago, 6 years ago, man, whenever I get overwhelmed and think, I'm not hitting my targets, I'm not hitting my goals, I'm not where I want to be, I just stop and look at the consistent action I've taken, and the journey has consistently gone up. Yeah, there's been down days. I've come off the lost path for a day or two, and I've lost motivation, lost direction. But it's the consistent action over time. The past 6 years, the graph goes in. You go a few steps up, couple back, few steps up, couple back, few steps up, couple back. It's the roller coaster of the entrepreneurial roller coaster. But it's just don't beat yourself up if you come off track, and just maintain that greater vision, I guess. So I'm hoping this is making sense. I just wanted to get out and talk about consistency, the power of it. It just compounds over time. So I hope I got that message across all right, guys. yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Gonna enjoy walking around this lake for another 20 minutes or so. And then go and do some work. Call it a day. Alright guys, see you on the next video.